Aloha, I'm Alan Arakawa, candidate for Mayor of Maui County. We all know that housing is a critical component to a healthy and vibrant community. Without various levels and types of housing, we will not be able to meet the needs of our families, and they will be forced to look elsewhere for a place to live. We cannot afford to lose our future generations from our islands. We must jumpstart our housing industry to get it running again. If provided the opportunity to serve you as mayor, I will work closely with the housing and construction industries to ensure our county government is responsive to their needs. My administration will develop a coordinating team to ensure a smooth progression of projects through the county system. We will ensure that Maui County expedites permits for housing projects that are shovel-ready for our construction industry. We will make sure that they meet all the requirements of the communities they are built in. I know how important that is. This is the position on housing my administration will take from our first day in office. We need true leadership, commitment, and action to put Maui back on track. I ask for your support in the future and humbly ask for your vote on November 2nd. Mahalo.